On the back roads of an Alabama night, we gather round the porch light shining bright. Stories of the past few years, we laugh and we fight. Southern pride and love, we make it alright. Guitars strung under moonlight, stars taking flight. In the heart of Dixie we hold on tight. We're the sons and daughters of the southern lands. We stand strong and proud, dirt on our hands. From the cotton fields through the old oak trees, every whisper of the wind, it's a sweet southern breeze. We cherish what's behind and what lies ahead. Simple living, good and loving, nothing left unsaid. Singing harmonies around the fire, no need to please. In the warmth of the South, our spirits unfreeze. We're the sons and daughters of the southern lands. We stand strong and proud, dirt on our hands. Through the trials and tears we rise above. In the southern soil we plant our love. From dawn to dusk in the fields we rove. With faith in each other we find our groove. We're the sons and daughters of the southern lands. We stand strong